If you want to pass the uniform CPA exam, then you must understand the CPA exam structure. Coming up. Hey future CPAs, this is Ala Abudaya. I'm a licensed CPA in the state of Colorado and an AICPA member. I also help students pass the CPA exam and become CPAs. If this is your first time here and you are interested in becoming CPAs, start by subscribing to our channel and clicking that bell in order not to miss any of my videos. In this video, I will explain the CPA exam structure and the types of questions that are covered in the CPA exam. Each of the 4 sections of the CPA exam are broken down into 5 sections, or what we call testlets. Now the testlets will cover multiple choice questions and task-based simulations. For the business environment and concepts only, there will be 3 written communications. For the financial accounting and reporting, auditing, and regulation, there will be a research question. In order to complete those research questions, you will have to search the related authoritative literature and find an appropriate reference. The number of multiple choice question and task-based simulations vary depending on the section of the exam you are taking. Now, when you arrive at the testing center and when you finish the security procedures that you should go through, the first thing that you will have when you open the computer is there will be introductory screens for the exam. So there will be 2 introductory screens for the exam. The first screen is a welcome and an inter-lunch code screen. So this is you will have to put the exam lunch code that you have in your notice to schedule. The second screen, you will have to read the AICPA Confidentiality rule agreement and agree on this agreement. Now be careful in these 2 sections that you have a maximum of 5 minutes to finish each section. So there will be a clock that will be counting down in front of you, and you have to make sure that you finish each of those introductory sections within 5 minutes and not more than 5 minutes. Because if you go more than 5 minutes, the exam will close and terminate, and you will have to reapply again and pay again for the exam. So make sure to take care of this issue. So after you go through those 2 introductory screens, you'll then take the exam, which consists of 5 testlets. After the 3rd testlet, you will have a 15-minute break, so you can take a 15-minute break. That is not counted from the exam, the 4 hours of the exam time. And at the end, after you finish the exam, there will be a 5-minute survey which you will have to fill and submit. So to summarize this process again, you will have first, as we mentioned, a welcome screen, a 5-minute welcome screen, which you will put your launch code, and then you're gonna have another 5-minute confidentiality section screen, which you will agree on the AICPA section, and then you're gonna begin your CPA exam. You're gonna go through testlet number 1, and then testlet number 2, and then testlet number 3. You will then have a 15-minute break, which you can take, of course, and then you're gonna have testlet number 4 and testlet number 5, and finally a 5-minute survey. So this is like a general structure about the CPA exam, and it's the same for all the 4 parts of the CPA exam. I want also to add that there are optional breaks between all the exam testlets. So you can take, for example, a break between testlet number 1 and 2, or testlet number 2 and 3, which will count from the exam time. Be careful here. But if you need to have a break, then you should take it. Okay, and you can also take a break between testlet number 4 and 5, which will be also count from the exam time. The only break that does not count is the standard break, which is a 15-minute break between testlet number 3 and 4, which I recommend you take this break. To summarize the CPA exam structure, the 4 parts of the CPA exam consist of 5 testlets. The first 2 testlets of the 4 parts of the CPA exam are multiple choice questions. For the FAR in the audit and the rig, testlet number 3, 4, and 5 consist of simulations. Testlet 3 is 2 simulations, 4 and 5, each one is 3 task-based simulations, which will include a minimum of 1 research question. For the business, environment, and concept, testlet number 3 and 4 consists of 2 simulations, and testlet 5 consists of 3 written communications. So this is the CPA exam structure. If you like the video, give it a thumb and share this video in order to reach to all the people who need to know about the CPA. Subscribe to our channel and comment below and tell me what did you learn from my video, and see you in a new video.